Elon Musk is back in the spotlight, and this time it's for his AI company xAI's new creation, Grok Imagine. Musk calls it a tool that gives users superhuman imagination powers. So, what exactly is Grok Imagine? It's an advanced AI-powered image and video generator. With it, you can type a simple text prompt, speak your idea through voice command, or even upload an image to customize. Within seconds, the app produces a photorealistic image. And with just one tap, those images can be turned into short AI-generated videos. Currently, the app is free on both Android and iOS, but only for a limited time. The response has been massive. More than 44 million images have already been created, including 20 million in the very first 24 hours of launch. Grok Imagine offers 4 creative modes. Normal, for realistic renders. Fun, playful and stylized outputs. Custom, more flexible experimentation. Spicy, a bold mode that has sparked controversy. Critics warn that the spicy feature could be misused, particularly for generating deepfake-style content. But Musk sees it differently. He insists Grok Imagine isn't just another AI tool. It's the beginning of a creative revolution designed to push human imagination to a new level. So, is Grok Imagine a groundbreaking step for creators or another AI controversy waiting to happen? Let us know what you think. If you found this story useful, hit the like button and subscribe for more updates on how technology is reshaping our world.